Hello guys, welcome back with me, Chow 2025. Today we're going to learn how to automatically colorize a picture or a movie. The one with black and white or minimal color. We do this automatically using AI in Face Fusion 3. How to install Face Fusion? Please refer on the video tutorial link on video description. The first step is to open your Face Fusion. In Processor, select Frame Colorizer. In Frame Colorizer Model, select any model that you want. In Frame Colorizer Size, set the size. Larger should be better. In Blend, set the blend that you want. In Execution Provider, I suggest you use QDA or Andy Tensor RT. After that, take the first picture. After that, you can see the preview. You can start to execute this so the result will put on your folder selection, or because this is just an image, you could also directly download from the preview. Here are a bunch of sample. Also, if you think the result not good, you could change your model. You could also add a frame enhancer to repair part of the picture or video that you process. Here is a sample using other model. Some might work better than the other. Just do your experiment. Now this time, let's do video. The step is the same.
Bijou is home again.
But of course, you need to select Start, and can't directly download from the preview. Here are a bunch of examples.
Bijou is home again. Bijou is home.
Betsy doesn't know.
I beg your pardon?
Betsy doesn't know.
I beg your pardon?
Betsy doesn't know.
I beg your pardon?
Well, how do you like us? Well, how do you like us? Well, how do you like us?
Shoulders broad and glorious, see that smile. Shoulders broad and glorious, see that smile.
And keep shirty on. And keep shirty on.
Palm side. Chop, chop.
No.
Palm side. Chop, chop.
No.
Laughing boy is here again. Laughing boy is here again.
Where did you... Can't you do something about it? Where did you... Can't you do something about it?
Of course, you could also use long video. In this case, I take a 3 minutes video. I use short video to avoid any copyright. but you could use long video. Of course, it takes more time to colorize it like this example. Anyway, guys, that's it for today video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and see you again on the next day to have. Please subscribe. Subscribe. An episode of a nice day and have